Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve the first problem from the basic array series in TUF Plus. So the problem is sum of array elements, and here we are given an array of size n, and the task is to find the sum of all the elements in the array. So let's see the first example. So here n equal to 5, so array will have 5 elements 1 2 3 4 5, and output is 15 considering 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, summation of all the elements in the array. Then here in the example 3, n equal to 3, 2 1 1, so it is 4, 2 plus 1 plus 1. Why it's giving why 3, n equal to 3, right? So it should be 4. I don't know why it's giving the wrong answer. 2 plus 1 plus 1, it should be 4, right? Anyways, so let's try to understand the pseudocode for this. So basically what we'll do, we'll take one variable sum and we can initialize it to 0. Okay, and then we know, right, n equal to 4 maybe, and inside n 1 2 3 4 is the array. Okay, and what is the summation? Sum equal to 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, right? So we have to return 10. So what we'll do, we will run one for loop I equal to 0 to I is less than n, right? Why we are running this for loop? Basically the array is indexed, right? So 0 1 2 3, right? So I equal to 0, so this is nothing but I is nothing but an index of that particular array A. Okay, so this is like what we'll do inside, we'll do sum, we are adding everything to sum, right? Sum plus a of I, that we can do, right? And then return sum, sorry, we don't have to return a of I, we have to return sum. So here what will happen in this particular case, so when I equal to 0, right, when I equal to 0, right, it will go inside I is less than n is 4, yes it is less than, then sum plus a of I, sum is 0 plus a of I is 1, so sum will become 1, right? Then again it will go here, I will become I plus plus, right? I will become 1, so 1 is less than 4, yes it will go inside. So what will do, it will do sum plus a of I is nothing but a of 1, a of 1 is 2, right? So 1 plus 2, it will do 3, right? Then I will become 2 due to I plus plus, so I is less than n, 2 is less than 4, yes it is less than 4, so it will go inside this statement. Sum is 3 plus a of I, a of 2 is 3, it will become 6, then again I plus plus, I will become 3, then again I is less than n, 3 is less than 4, yes it will go inside, it will execute this step. Sum is 6 plus a of I is a of 3 is 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, sum will become 10, then again it will come here, I will become 4, so 4 is less than n, I is less than n, 4 is less than 4, no, it will break out of the loop and it will return sum is 10, right? So we will just write the code now. So int sum equal to 0 for int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and then what we'll do, sum equal to sum plus array of I, right? And return sum. Yes, it's accepted, we'll submit it. Yes, so basically here the time complexity, it is, we are running 0 to n for loop, right? So O of n is my time complexity, space complexity, it is nothing but O of 1, right? So yeah, we have solved first problem. In the next lecture we'll see the second problem. Thank you for watching.